Antai Heavy Industry Q3720 double hook shot blasting machine. Workpiece slewing diameter 2.15 meters. Maximum height 2.2 meters. Total shot blasting capacity 3 times 180 kilograms minute. Maximum lifting capacity per hook 2,000 kilograms. Total power 61 kilowatts. Equipped with 3 directly connected shot blasting wheels, each with an 11 kilowatt motor. Each wheel can blast 180 kilograms of shot per minute, and the 3 wheels can blast 540 kilograms of shot per minute. 2 2-ton electric hoists allow for both lifting and traveling hooks. The shot blasting wheel blades and directional sleeves are equipped with operating timers and intelligent maintenance and replacement reminders. To further conserve shot, a settling box is installed between the main machine and dust collector to facilitate shot recovery. The hot zone, opposite the shot blasting wheels, uses 10mm thick rolled manganese 13 steel, with a service life of 15,000 to 17,000 hours. A 2-stage separator effectively separates dust and shot, ensuring efficient and effective cleaning. Pulse back-blowing cartridge dust collectors feature a 2 times 7.5 kilowatt blower and all-iron piping. PLC control and automatic monitoring are employed. The shot blaster features a timer function, reminding users to replace wearing parts promptly, and automatically identifies faults and generates alarms. We design and manufacture shot blasting equipment. But we don't just provide you with equipment. We also provide you with a perfect cleaning workshop solution, including machine intelligent monitoring, power and projectile consumption, replacement of wearing parts. Innovative and pragmatic, we will work with you to study the use and cost of surface cleaning equipment.